Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today the topic is about Kubernetes deployment strategies. So you might heard in my previous videos like what are the deployments, different types of workloads we are maintaining in our Kubernetes cluster, right? So today I just want to give some more information on what are the deployment strategies we are following in our day-to-day DevOps activities. Before going to that, I just want to give you a glance about what are the deployments. As deployments is like the main functionality or main the plan what you are going to achieve to maintain your application to be run and healthy throughout 24/7 in your Kubernetes cluster. So that's the main process of a deployments, and in turn it will use replica sets and pods. That is already covered in my last video. So this video, before that I just want to ask you and thanks for your support, and I need your support for doing this type of videos. Continue your support, and before jumping into this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's jump into the concept. So in Kubernetes they have provided a set of strategies. It's like default strategies will be there, like when the deployments, when you are writing it, even if you didn't provide any strategies, the default it will take it as some set of strategies. I'll cover that one. So what is actually a strategy is, that means depends upon your application load and depends upon your traffic. So you will decide what are the strategies will be good for you, and also you need to satisfy the client's requirement, and at the same time you need to make your application to be run and healthy, right? So these are the big challenges will be placed in front of you when you are going to onboard an application, correct? So that's why these strategies were comes up, and they have separated and they segregated this type of strategies into majorly the three different strategies. So those strategies are like, first one is rolling updates, okay, and the second one is canary, the third one is blue-green deployment strategies. So first one, let me tell you that first one is rolling updates is mainly used for the, for example, it's actually not suggestive for the production environment. Why? Because it's like when you are having an, imagine you have an application image version which is v1, and you are going to deploy that into your Kubernetes cluster. So it's running good. When you use this rolling update, what will happen, the complete set of applications, what are the application pods are running, it will completely went down, and a new version whatever you are planning it will come up. So here we have a little problems with there. What is that is, so when you give a rolling update, the applications will completely goes on. We are not sure how far the v2 will comes up green signal. That means you are not sure, there is some different types of response will come from that v2 version. So that is what rolling updates is mainly used for the development testing purpose only. So there we will have v1 v2 v3 etc versions, we can test it and it will go down and brings up, so we don't worry about the downtime in the lower environments. So that is suggestive for the lower environments. So this is about the rolling updates. The next one is the canary updates, canary update strategies. That is, you have version 1 and you have version 2. So what is the plan here is, you will give a certain percentage for your traffic for the two different versions. I mean to say, v1 is running 100% and you want to test v2. What you will do, you will provide the rolling update strategy in your deployment as canary, and then you will provide the percentage as, okay, 25% at the beginning of the new release. So 25% will start and team will validate it. If it is going good, then they slowly increase that percentage rate to 50, 75, finally 100. So this is also having some set of issues will be there, and when you have the 25% traffic route and there are some problems will come up again, they will roll back to the v1. So this is the problems. I mean, I'm not telling like each one, like you can say canary or you can say rolling updates, each one having their own plus and minus, but depends upon your requirements only, depends upon your client, and depends upon the high availabilities. So the last and final one is like blue green deployments. So blue green deployments is little costly and it is very high effective. Why I'm telling is, until unless your traffic, suppose if you have a blue pods, you have a green pods, okay, blue pods were taking the traffic and green also taking the traffic, until your application testings validations will goes up healthy and 100% satisfied rate will. Okay, so you can ask Venkat, you are telling like everything will change, how about the response? Okay, so in that time the response times will be from the whatever you have it in the blue, like a v1 version that will take it as a outcome, and remaining traffic will be in the v2. So the main point here I want to highlight here is like the shifting time. Okay, v1 to v2 or v2 to v1, I mean rollback possibilities also I'm telling you. So the timing will be, it's like a seconds. So you cannot at least visualize that one, you cannot see that one in the screen, like what changes is happening in the behind this. That is the beauty of the Kubernetes strategies, we are choosing it. Okay, so that's it about the Kubernetes strategies. I just want to summarize it again. So there are three different strategies. One is rolling update, second one is canary update, third one is blue green updates. So using these three strategies, Kubernetes is providing a very high availability to the team. So depends upon the choice what you choose for your application, choose it. But my suggestion is always go with the canary for some time, and then once your application is going on healthy and it is okay, my traffic is going good, then you can go for the blue green deployments. Okay, so more details about this is like clearly provided in the Kubernetes documentation. Just refer it and use it in your project also. And this is for this video for today. Thanks for your support, keep watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, that really gives me a support for to do this type of videos. Thank you so much.